Good morning, children. Welcome to the next class for History Standard 6. In last class, we read about administration, society, food, dress, ornaments, amusement, and religion of Indus people. Today, we will study about occupation. We have to start from here. Occupation. The Indus people follow many occupations, but main was agriculture. A toy model of a plough has been found which suggests that people used to do farming. Crops such as wheat, barley, peas were raised. In the older days, there was enough rain in that region, and occasional floods brought a great deal of fertile soil to the area. The people of Harappa domesticated animals like oxen, buffaloes, goat and sheep, camels and donkey used for transport. Bull was used for farming and some animals used for milk and meat. Now come to this metal work. The discovery of the statue of dancing girl suggests that people of Harappan civilization had knowledge in bronze casting. You can see in this picture of dancing girl. Ornaments made of gold, silver and precious stones tells us that people of this age knew goldsmithing also. Now come to the next topic, bead making. Beads made up of gold, silver, copper, precious stones and shells have been discovered at many sites. This suggests that bead making was a popular occupation in the Indus Valley civilization. The discovery of spindles tells us that people of Indus Valley civilization knew the art of spinning and weaving. Now children, come to the pottery making. Pottery making. Indus Valley people had mastery over pottery making. Many samples of pottery were discovered from the sites of Indus Valley civilization. Many examples of pottery with designs of animals, human figures and trees were found. There were examples of leaf designs also found. And the last topic of this occupation is bricklaying. Bricklaying. People of this age were also very good masons. With the discovery of huge brick structure and cities with houses made up of bricks and laid pavements tells us that bricklaying was an important occupation. Clear? Now children, please come to the next topic, transport. Many models made of terracotta were designed like bullock carts. This tells us that bullock carts were widely used as mode of transport. With the discovery of port at Lothal suggests that boats and ships were also used as means of transport. Next topic is trade. The people of Indus Valley civilization knew how to make things from mud and clay. The city workers used to make pots, plates and glasses out of mud and clay to sell them. The traders would bring the materials that workers need and collect the finished good for trade. The Indus people were greatly dependent on trade. They traded with many different civilizations like Persia, Mesopotamia and China. Some goods that were traded were gold, silver, colored gems, shells, and pearls. The handmade balance for weighing things was also developed at that time and used equal size and weight stones for measurements. These balance were used to trade the things. I hope you all are clear with these topics. Now come to the next topic, children, that is seals. Seals. Thousands of seals have been discovered by archaeologists from the Harappan sites. Seals were different in shapes, like flat, square, or rectangular, and made of clay, stones, and copper. All the seals have pictures of animals with something written on it. Animal figures such as bull, buffalo, goat, tiger, elephant, and so on. Mainly these seals were used by merchants to stamp their goods. Now come to the topic script. The Indus script has been written on many seals found from various sites. The Indus script is the writing system developed by Indus Valley civilization, and it is the earliest form of writing. The origin of this script is poorly understood, which means this writing system is not converted into normal language. The script is pictographic. Script have some signs like pictures which represents words, objects, and ideas. But still no one understood this script. Now come to the topic. The last is decline. Rise and fall is a law of nature. Historians have given different reasons to the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. Some of them are natural disaster like flood. Natural disaster like flood. Repeated floods force the people to change their places and shift somewhere else. This is the one reason. Earthquakes. Geographically, the Harappan occupied an area that was prone to earthquake as it can into seismographic zone. Earthquake may be an important reason for the decline of Harappan culture. Next reason, change in the course of river Indus. The decline of the Harappan culture to the river Indus, changing its direction frequently. Next one is a change in the cropping pattern. Due to change in the climatic condition, the area lost fertility and people were compelled to move somewhere else. The multiple causes were responsible for the decline of Harappan culture. Thanks to archaeological efforts, we now know a lot about this oldest urban culture of India. Now, we will discuss question and answer, students. Come to page number 32, question number 7, exercise F. Question number 7. Discuss agriculture and trade in the Indus Valley civilization. Discuss agriculture and trade. You can find this answer on page number 28 and 29. Agriculture and trade. You can find the answer under this topic, agriculture and trade. Now next question is, why are seals considered an important discovery? Question number 8, why are seals considered an important discovery? You can find this answer on page number 29 under the topic seals. Got it? Next question, question number 9, what led to the decline of the Indus Valley civilization? You can find this answer on page number 30, these 3 reasons. You can write down these 3 reasons. Clear? Now last question, write short notes on the following: buildings in the lower town, and second one is Indus script. Indus script, you know, script, you can find this answer under the topic script, and one is building, you can find the answer on buildings in the lower town. The next B1, B, question 10 B, question 10 A is building in the lower town, and second one is Indus script. I hope you all are clear with this chapter. Thank you, children.